Hello there, welcome to Money Expert University. My name is Ellen Woshi. You can also call me the Money Expert. I'm simply going to be giving you 5 reasons. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reasons why you as a business owner needs to be financially literate. Why do I even need to be financially literate as a business owner? I mean, after all, it's my business, right? Why do I need to understand money in my business? Why should I even bother understanding money? I mean, after all, I've been handling money all these years. I've been working with money and I've been spending money. I've been earning money and I've been using money. So why do I even need to be financially literate? So the first reason is it helps you as a business owner to be very organized. And what do I mean by that? No, I do not mean you are a disorganized person or you don't know what you're doing. But when it comes to money, a level of organization helps you to stop all the guesswork. So if you know where your money is coming from, where your cash flow is coming from, what exactly is bringing a whole lot more of cash into your business, what is not doing so very well, it could be your product or service. That way you'll be able to understand which one to sell more, which one to increase its price, which one to give out. It just helps you to be very, very, very accountable. It also helps you to be able to understand which one to put out there in public. It helps you know which one is going to bring you a whole lot of cash. If you're trying to scale up in a specific business, or you're just trying to do one thing or the other that could be really, really helpful for your business, this kind of thing will help you understand it. Financial literacy would help you to perfectly be able to understand it. Okay, the second reason is it helps you to know when your staff are stealing from you. Yes, maybe you have just one staff or maybe two. Would they be stealing from you? How would you know? How would you know if you do not understand your finances? If you do not know how much you make a day, if you do not know how much you make a month, if you have no records of these things, there's no accountability for it. So how would you know if your staff steals an extra 5,000 naira, an extra $20, an extra £100? How would you know that they are taking the money if you yourself have no records of how much is coming in? In the end, it's just their word of mouth that you are really playing with. So how do you know how much you've made? How do you know if you don't have receipts, if you don't have the right bookkeeping for you to be able to know, okay, this is how much I have made in a day, this is how much I have made in the month? Okay, how would you know that? How would you know when they take some of that money? No matter how much it is, how would you know if your banks are stealing from you? Because it might not only be your staff. How would you know if your bank takes an extra 1,000 naira, an extra $100, an extra £50 from your account? How would you know? How would you know that they've charged you double or triple times the money from that transfer or from that debit or whatever? How would you know? So the third reason is one of the best, one of the interesting ones where you people love to hear because it puts more money in your pocket. It helps you get access to loans. It helps you get access to grants. Being financially literate means your books are in order. That means you've got all your sales, you've got all your profits. It shows that you know what you are doing. Because if you go to access a loan from the bank now, the first thing they're going to ask you are your statements. They want to see if you're profitable enough for them to give you that loan. And guess what? Without financial literacy, you are going nowhere. You are not going anywhere. You will not be able to land that money if you cannot put your books together. You won't be able to go to a bank and tell them, okay, this is my business, this is how profitable I am. You don't even know how much you're making. So how are you going to go to a bank to ask for money? And not just banks, but investors too. That's where grants come in. You'll be able to get investors when you know what you are doing, when your money is in place, when you have the knowledge to be able to track your expenses, to be able to do your bookkeeping, to be able to do your accounting. It doesn't even have to be something so difficult, just basic knowledge on these things. Because when you go out there and you're trying to access this loan, you're trying to get an investor to invest in your money, or you're trying to get someone to give you a grant so that you can grow your business. Without your books, without an adequate financial plan, or without even showing how profitable you are or how accountable you are with money, nobody is going to give you their money. Nobody is going to give you their money if they do not believe that you can handle the money and pay back that loan, or handle the money and make your business profitable. It's as easy as that. Okay, so put your books together. Very important, especially if you're trying to get debt financing, or you're trying to get a grant or a loan from some. Reason number 4 is that it's going to help you to be able to properly grow your business, so you're not running all over the place. The major reason why thousands of startup businesses do not grow is because you do not even have the adequate financial literacy to be able to handle your money. You do not have that knowledge to keep your money, to multiply your money, to increase your profits. So how do you want your business to grow if you cannot reinvest the money you're making inside the business? Because what a majority of business owners do is that as the money is coming in, there are family members to take care of, children to take care of. This person is putting this person through university, all in the business money, all with the business money. So in the end, your business suffers. So there is no growth at all. You end up saying you're 5 years into this business and your business is not growing. It's not going anywhere. It's just stagnant. You are not going anywhere with your business. You're trying to move ahead. You're trying to get ahead, but you just cannot do it. You just see that, oh my God, it's 5 years later and you've not even made up to double your profit or triple your profit. So you later on notice that it's been 5 years along the line and you have not even grown from the spot that you started in 5 years ago. And then you go ahead, you're flipping through Instagram and you're seeing someone that you started with and you're like, God, when does this person have 2 heads? No, it's because they have the financial literacy. They know what to do with their money to make sure that that business grows. Okay, so it's very, very important that you have the financial literacy, you know your money, so that your business that you want to grow will actually grow. Because if you don't even know what to do, you end up just doing things all over, carelessly putting your seeds everywhere, and it might just end up getting all lost. You might end up losing it all, because you're working based on luck instead of wisdom, and that is a goal to fail. That's a plan to fail. And the final point, which is the 5th point number 5, is it helps you to avoid trouble that might cost you your business. Oh my goodness, having financial literacy is going to save you. It's going to save your business from things like tax. Tax laws are so hungry for your business. If you do not even know what taxes you're supposed to pay, depending on your own kind of business, be it a business name or be it a limited liability company, if you don't know the taxes that apply to you and you don't pay, those taxes will keep piling, and the punishment for those taxes, which is usually finances or money, will keep piling. So in the end, maybe you're 3 years into the business, 4 years into the business, you've never paid tax, and the tax guys come to you and you find that you have to pay like times 7 the amount of money you would have paid originally. You can see your business crumbling. So imagine you have no emergency fund, you have no profits, you don't even have knowledge about your money to have even built it to grow, and here you are in debt again. that can be really frustrating, annoying, stressful. You feel like giving up on business when these things could simply be avoided by just you knowing and understanding your money. It's really not that hard. It is so simple. And here at Money Expert University with me, Ellen Woshi, I give you street knowledge, and I'm talking about relatable examples. So forget all the textbook knowledge, forget what your financial coach told you, forget what your accounting teacher told you. Here I'm giving you practical knowledge, street knowledge. I give you knowledge based on things that have happened to me as a business owner and things that I have experienced from other people too, what they did and how they got to get themselves financially literate enough to build their businesses and grow really, really well. So stick with me here on this channel. Don't forget Money Expert Uni, stick here on this channel and I'll be dropping more videos for you soon. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and don't worry, I got you, and I am going to be helping you be very, very financially literate in just a few months. Trust me, it's so easy. It's going to be so simple. Your 6-year-old cousin, 60-year-old son, your 6-year-old nephew would be able to understand it. So get ready and let's grow your business together.